Hey everyone, this is Arun and I'm back again with another video. So in this video, I will be discussing the steps involved in finding the Excel freelancer or Excel consultant online. So I will be providing you some of the steps that are involved while providing a project. So if you have an Excel project or if you are looking for a freelancer or an Excel expert, uh, for short-term projects or long-term projects. So I will be guiding you the whole process. So my name is Arun and this is my profile. So I'm basically a Microsoft Excel freelancer and I have 7 years of experience in Excel and Google Sheets. And I can help you in data analysis, visualization, and automation for complex calculations. So I have completed 500 projects and with a 5-star rating with 100% project completion. So I'm currently working on Upwork and I am also working as a consultant services. So this is my portfolio and this is my professional summary. Now, if you are looking for help in Microsoft Excel, so these all are the services that I have created here. So Microsoft Excel, where I can help you in Excel formulas, Excel data analysis, visualizations, macros, and I can automate your, I mean, daily manual activity, just like copy pasting and everything, whatever you are manually doing in Excel. So I can provide you much automation in that activities. Then Google Sheets as well. So same with Google Sheets. So for Google Sheet automation, I can help you in creating Google Apps scripts and then pivot tables for summaries and conditional formatting for some of the conditions where you find some coloring according to the condition found and labels or maybe template creations, uh, basic template, or if you are looking for some expenditure or any other custom templates that you are I mean, if you are looking for, so I can help you out. I have created a lot of templates in Excel and Google Sheets. So I will be showing you some of my Excel templates and videos that I've created. And so this is the second service that I'm creating. Then Power BI as well. So I have a team member who helps, who creates dashboards in Power BI and DAX formulas, custom visuals. So if you are looking for Power BI dashboards as well, so I can help you out in that one as well. And if you are looking for PDF solutions, just like creating a PDF form, having some drop downs, text boxes, or if you are looking for conversion of Excel to PDF or PDF to Excel, I mean, if you have some PDF and you want that PDF to be inserted in Excel, summary wise or something like that, if you're looking for, so you can just directly reach me out. I have one team member who is a PDF expert and he also do the job very precisely. Then PowerPoint solutions as well. So if you are having some PowerPoint designing, report building type of work, so I would be helping that one also. So now the next process is that how we can start the project and what's the payment and how we can deal with that. So for the initial requirements, so I'm based on India and I'm active in anytime what you because my team members, some of them work in Pacific Standard Time and I mean I'm available on that time as well. So first part to start the process is you need to share sharing initial requirements. So once you can share me the project requirements using WhatsApp or email. So I will be checking on that projects. So if we and then we can just start up a meeting or a Google chat, something like that. If I agree the possibility whether I can do or not, I mean if it is doable. So I will be sharing you the possibility, and then we can conclude the work, how I will provide you that work and the timeline and the cost around that one, so we can set up the milestone. And once the work is over, then you can release the payment. So I will not taking any payment upfront, but yeah, we can just mutually discuss about the payment section, how we will be dealing that. And once the work is done, then you can just release the payment. And of course, in the project we have some follow-ups for the timeline and about the updates of the project, so you can discuss about the project updates regularly, and I will be giving you the project updates regular basis. So um, you can just directly reach over Slack or WhatsApp or any channel which we looks easier way, so we can just do the follow-ups on that platform. So basically, if you maybe if you are using Slack or WhatsApp, that would be a good channel for me as well. So maybe your Telegram as well. Then maybe once all the follow-ups are done and my work has been completed, so I will be sending you the project work and files along with the email. I will be emailing you, and then you can just check. I will give you 2 to 3 days to test, or maybe we can discuss upon further updates if you need more, if you are finding any bugs or any other issues with the project, so they will be completely free, so don't worry about that cost. And we can discuss upon that one once I have completed the project. Then I will be sharing all the files and you can just test it on, so there is nothing to worry about. And once you find everything is working perfect, and then you can release the payment. So this is how the project life cycle would be around. And then, of course, the next slide is our team. So this is Shivam Gupta. He is a Power BI specialist, and I am a Excel and Google Sheet expert freelancer. And this is, of course, my brother who is dealing with PDF and PowerPoint solutions. So he's a PDF and PowerPoint specialist. And we currently we are having a 3 members of creating all such projects and delivering all such projects. And then the next slide is the project life cycle. Of course, this is the same which I discussed earlier. So first is the initial touch base where we email, WhatsApp, or Slack. We can get in touch base, and then we can discuss about the cost, payment setup, terms and methods, how we will be doing that. And of course, then requirements and then project delivery. So these all are the 4 steps that are being included in the project life cycle. And then this is finally my details. So this is my email address. You can note it down here, arunkumar9896@gmail.com. And this is my number. So I'm available both on WhatsApp. This is my US number. So you can just directly call me on that one. Or even we can discuss on that once we got the availability time, we can just discuss over Zoom or anything, whatever the best platform we deal about. So this is all in this video, and I have created a lot of templates, Excel automations, and the dashboards. So if you are looking for such kind of work, I will be sharing you some samples. And if you go to my for some samples, if you think you can just go to my YouTube channel. I have created a lot of videos regarding that. Currently, I'm working on an automated invoicing system where I'm dealing with various printing, and then the invoice tracking sheet, and then inventory tracking as well. So I'm creating one software solution currently, but yeah, I have done a lot of projects, so we can discuss on the samples as well if you are looking for that. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video, and I'm very happy we will be talking very soon. So thank you for watching this video, and have a good day. Take care. Bye.